In today's class, we shall be seeing climate of India. So what is the difference between weather and climate? Before knowing what is the climatical condition of India, we should know the difference between what is weather and a climate. Next, weather. Weather is the condition of the atmosphere at certain place at a time. So what is weather? The condition of the air, the atmospheric air at particular place at particular time. For example, as we say that it is hot or cloudy today, we are referring to the weather of a particular place at that particular moment. Yes, for example, today morning it is cloudy and afternoon it is hot. Means we are referring of a particular weather of a particular place at particular moment. Next, when we say that it is cold in Himalayas and hot in desert, we are referring to the climate of this place. Next, we shall be saying what is climate. The word climate refers to the weather condition of a place over a long period of time. So what is weather? It is a condition of an atmospheric place at certain place at certain time. But what is climate? The weather condition of a place over a long period of time. So weather is short period, means like a time, particular place at particular time. But climate is long period. So that is the difference between weather and climate. Next. For example, hill station have a cool climate, desert are have a hot climate. In hill station there will be a climatical condition will be cool in the environment, but in the desert areas it will be hot. See, the hill station have a cool climate. Can you see this? In the hill station there will be a cool and pleasant environment. Where we comes to the desert, it is hot type of climate. Next we shall be saying weather. So what are the different changes in weather? Can you see? First it was sunny. Next little bit of cloud. Again it is steam. So what is weather? Weather is nothing but the condition of the atmospheric air at particular place at particular time. Next we shall be seeing what is the different causes for the climatical change. So this is one of the important thing. See, there either may be a global warming, different types of pollution, flooding, your greenhouse effect, melting of icebergs, or throughout the earth environment, carbon dioxide, the drought, the forest fires, raising in the temperature, so raising in the seas. So these are the different causes for the climatical change. Once again I will repeat: flooding, pollutions like different types of pollution, air pollutions, noise pollutions, and global warming, and a greenhouse effect, melting of icebergs, raising of seas, raising of temperature, drought, earth, environment, carbon dioxide, extreme of weather, forest fires. So these are the different reasons for your climatical change. So these are the different causes for your climatical change. Here this is a fire in the forest. This is a volcanic eruption. So these are this is a heavy wind breeze. So this is a rain. So these are the different causes for your climatical change. Next, factors affecting the climate. So what are the just now we have seen what are the factors that is affecting the climate. The location of a place determines its climate. So what is the climate? Climate is nothing but a location of the place that determines its climate. The place located near the sea have cooler climate compared to the place which is away from the sea. So the places which is nearer to sea will be having the cooler and the pleasant climate, and the place which is away from the sea, it will not be having any cool type of climate. Again, places located in the hills and mountains are cooler than the place in the plains. So the places which is located near the hills or mountains will be having a cool type of climate rather than the place which is in the plains. The climate of a place also depends on its temperature, rainfall, and the direction of the wind blowing in the region. So what are the different factors that are causing for the climatical change of a place? So it depends upon temperature, rainfall, direction of the wind blowing in the region. Next, distance from the equator is also an important factor. So which is one of the most important, another important factor is the distance from the equator, because the overall climate of a place depends how far it is from the equator. So what is the reason? The distance from the equator is also an important factor because the overall climate of a place depends on how far it is from the equator. The climate of a place has an effect on the life of people, the type of clothes they wear, the kind of food they eat, and the types of crops they grow that can be grown here. So, climate not only it also affects the lifestyle of humans, like how they live, what are the type of clothes they wear, and the kind of food they eat, and what are the types of crop that can be grown in respect to the particular climate. The different changes of the climate. Next, we'll be seeing what is seasons of India. In India, the three are main seasons. So, which are the three main seasons? One is summer, monsoon, and winter. So, in India, there are three main seasons: summer, winter, and monsoon. Some parts of India have two more seasons, that is spring and autumn. Summer season. The summer season in India starts from March and lasts till middle of June. The temperature rises during this time of the year and it gets very hot. So during the summer season, the temperature rises. Thus the time of year and it gets very hot. So during the summer season, the humidity level and the temperature level will be very high and everyone will feel the hotness. May and June are the hottest months of the year. So summer season will start from March and end at the middle of June. But which are the 2 months that we feel more hotness is May and June. Next, here you can see spring season, whereas evergreen trees will be having leaves, flowers and fruits. When you're jumping to the summer season, you can see here the trees will be bearing its fruits. When it comes to the fall is nothing but your autumn season, where the leaves will be changed to yellow color. First it will be changed to orange, then again to yellow color. So it will be falling down. So that is the autumn season where the leaves would share their leaves to yellow color. Next, when you're coming to winter season, the trees will not be having any leaves, or the branches of the trees will not be having any leaves. Just complete tree will be filled with snow. So that is your different season. One is spring, summer, autumn and winter. Next, it is the hot throughout the India during this month, but the mountainous are cooler compared to the other areas. So in the mountainous region, they will be having a cool type of climate, where other parts of India will be having the hot type of climate. Northern plains are hot. Dry winds called low blows in afternoon. Next, thunderstorms and dust storms also occur occasionally. So the thunderstorms and the dust storm. Thunderstorms is that lightning and the dust storm, that heavy wind breeze, also occur occasionally. In summer, the days are longer than the night. So in summer, the days are longer and the nights are shorter. By the end of summer, just before the monsoon rains. So once the summer is getting end, just before the monsoon rains, the another name for rainy season is your monsoon season. The humidity in the air rises. This means that the amount of vapor in the air increases. When there is a start of the monsoon, nothing but your rainy season, the humidity in the air will increase and the amount of water vapor also will be increased in the air. Here comes your monsoon season, that is nothing but your rainy season. Monsoon or a rainy season starts in June and continues till the end of September. So it begins in June and end at September. During this season, the moisture bearing wind blows from Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal towards the land. So during this monsoon season, a bear of wind blow from the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal towards the land. These winds are called as monsoon winds. So the wind which is bearing wind that is blowing from the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal towards the land, such winds are called as monsoon winds. They causes rain in all parts of India. So these are the wind which is responsible for causing the rainfall in all the parts of India. In India, the rainy season is very important. Agriculture depends largely on the monsoon season. Yes, in India, so rainy season is the most important season among all the seasons because the farmers or the people who are depend upon agriculture is mainly depend upon this rainy season. Sometimes we get heavy rains which causes flood. Yes, there is one usefulness of rain, but if the rain is excess means more huge rainfall, it also causes flood and the crops also will be lost. Next, sometimes the rainfall is so little that there is a drought. Sometimes there are cyclones. What is this cyclones is nothing but violent storms. During this time of a year, which causes a lot of distraction, and cyclones happen, there is lot of change in the climatical condition. So during this time, which causes lot of distraction is disturbance. The coastal areas and Himalayan regions receives heavy rainfall, but the place in Rajasthan and Gujarat receives scanty rainfall. The coastal areas of Tamil Nadu remains dry in monsoon but receives rainfall between November and January. Next comes your winter season. Winter season begins in November and continues till February. December and January are the coldest months. So the winter season will start from November, continues till February. December and January are the coldest months. So these 2 months are the coldest months. Next, the days are short while nights are longer. Wherein in summer season, the days are longer, nights are shorter. But in winter season, the days are short while nights are long. It is the coldest throughout the India. The northern mountain and northern plains get extremely cold, but the coastal plains have pleasant weather. Next, in this desert, the days are pleasant but nights are cold. In southern India, the winters are cool and pleasant. During this season, the western disturbance causes a rainfall in the plains and snowfall in the mountains. So which causes the rainfall in the plains and snowfall in the mountain? The western disturbance. Next, Tamil Nadu gets heavy rainfall during this season. Next is your spring season. Spring is a season that comes after winter, just before onset of summer. It is neither too cold nor too hot. It is cool and pleasant season. Many trees and plants bear new leaves and flowers in spring. So what is spring season? Spring season is nothing but the season that comes after winter, just before onset of summer. It is neither too cold or too hot. It is cool and pleasant season. Many trees and plants bear new leaves and flowers in spring season. Means in the environment you will be seeing evergreen trees filled with flowers, fruits. So that is your spring season. Next comes your autumn season. Autumn season that comes after monsoon, that is nothing but your rainy season. Just before onset of winter. It is cool and pleasant and many trees shed their leaves during this time. What is the difference between spring and autumn season? In spring season, many trees bear new leaves and flowers in the spring season. But in autumn season, that many trees shed their leaves during this autumn season. We see that season changes throughout the year. Yes, this season, the 5 seasons will be changing throughout the year based upon the months. This changes follow the same pattern in every year. We always have summer followed by monsoon and then autumn followed by winter and spring. Summer followed by autumn, autumn followed by winter, winter followed by spring. Next, clothes we wear in different seasons. So according to the seasons wise, there are different clothes. In rainy season, we wear raincoats. Depending upon the winter season, we wear woolen clothes. At respect to the different season, the different clothes and different types of food the people will eat. Next, India's weather. Tropical climate with 3 main seasons. October to March is cool, 24 to 25 degrees Celsius and dry. April to May it is hot, 28 to 31 degrees Celsius and dry. June to September it is hot, 27 to 31 degrees Celsius and very wet. And monsoon season, that is nothing but your rainy season. During the monsoon season, India experiences a very strong wind and a very heavy rainfall.